Cooking makes everything nice and warm. Good morning. Today is the day of working. We have taken over the entire table. And we're working on all the projects. And I'm making you food. And me, but you too, because you're the best. High five. Bestest man ever. Right here. Yeah, right there. So we've been working on crazy projects. There's so many of them. We have a big one, a management one, that we have done a large chunk on now. And then we took a break when I started making food. And we switched topics. We're working on an HR project because holy cow, next weekend is Buffer Festival, so we don't have as much time for doing all the work as everybody else does because we're committing a whole weekend to Buffer Festival, and that's so exciting. So I'm so happy about it, but we just have to use our time wisely, which we are trying to do right now. I have gone off topic. Sean has not. Well, I helped him create what he's typing up, but now he's doing the typing because he's better than me.
I'm very creative with my words.
I know, it's so good.
I'm able to make things sound professional.
I know, it's horrible. You're so good.
It basically means I'm able to bullshit.
Yeah. I can do it too, but I don't think I do it as well as you. So that's what we've been doing all day long. And I think we should have a break as soon as you finish writing that one bit.
Break and do what? Watch a movie?
Watch a movie!
One day more.
Yeah, please. I want to watch it again.
I want to watch
Les Mis.
Les Miserables.
Oh, yes.
Is that what it's called? What? Is there something
Say
funny
it
about
again.
some of the words I'm saying?
Say it again.
Les Miserables? Les Miserables? The Miserables. What?
Nothing. It's beautiful.
There's something funny about the words?
No, not at all.
Miserables?
No.
Was that the one I
Nothing.
said?
Nothing at all.
Les? That's French, Lydia. It means the. Jeez.
Sean, I want stuff online.
You want stuff online?
I want gifts. Lots of gifts.
Okay.
Christmas is coming and I have to make a Christmas list for your mother. And she will buy gifts for me.
Awesome.
Cause she loves me.
What am I supposed to get you?
What do you want to get me? You already have ideas. You should tell me those ideas and I can tell you what to get me.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Ah!
Oh, the best gift ever. Actually, no, it's not the best gift ever. Don't build your hopes up at all.
You're buying me something online.
Probably, yes.
What are you buying me
like things
online?
What am I buying you?
Yeah.
Something?
It was a shirt, but you didn't tell me what it was, so you should tell me. I got you this one. Wow. Boop. What do you want for Christmas? What do you want me to get you for Christmas?
Look at my list.
Well, why don't you tell me verbally? I don't want to read.
What's your budget?
What's your budget for me?
Higher than yours.
I'll buy you whatever.
I don't know. If you want, you could get me. I know it's probably kind of cheap in the aspects of it's. I don't know. Some people like their gifts to be thought out and meaningful and all that kind of crap. But I would totally love like a prepaid Visa card thing of however much money you want, because I mean Steam sales are going to be on Christmas, so it's like
you just want to use me to buy your video games.
Well, That's you buying me video games.
But I don't want to buy you video games. You already have enough video games.
Oh, well then get me something. Oh, you decide what you want to freaking get me. I don't care. Get me, I don't know. What do I like? Movies. Video games. Get me movies and video games.
Can I get you a YouTube apparel?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, totally.
How long has it been since I last had crazy hiccups on film?
Oh. A while.
Oh, we found the Rock Band microphone! Yay!
There. Now we can record our thingy
Yeah.
thing.
So we're making a little bit of extra stuff for an HR damn it.
HR what?
Project. We're making a little video to go in to be like an added little bonus part of it, so hopefully we get good marks and stuff. And we require the microphone to record good audio.
It's a pretty good microphone.
Good microphone.
It's highly directional, which is useful.
Holy cow. I know, Arthur. I know. What?
I'm totally not making fun of you.
You are. You are making fun of me.
You're not gonna try.
You try.
I can. Like, Sky! Okay, that's the tune.
Yeah.
Never reach the sky.
You're really louder than that.
No, we're trying to be good.
Bromance.
That's good, we good.
Bromance?
Bromance.
Is that the bromance?
Yep. So me and Lyd came to my house because we were gonna watch a movie, and we forgot that my mom was having a little like dinner party thing tonight, which we were invited to, but we said that we weren't gonna come because we were busy. And then we turned out to not be, so we ended up joining in last minute and butting in on the dinner. Sorry we butted in on the dinner. Don't do it again? Okay, I'm sorry. So yeah, we had a lovely dinner and desserts coming. We got Rice Krispies and stuff, and some people are having a bit too much fun. Oh man, what a night. So tonight didn't quite go as expected. We were going to my house to watch Les Mis, and then we had totally forgotten that my mom was having a little dinner party type thingy tonight, because we were invited for it like when 3 weeks ago or something.
It wasn't that long ago.
I don't know.
Was it?
The thing is, I completely forgot about it. You remembered, but you thought it was on Friday. You thought it was last night. I completely forgot about it, and then like walked in the house and I'm just like, you having guests? I was like, oh yeah, right. So we ended up, I was just gonna hang out for a little bit and just socialize, and then I don't know, go watch a movie or come back to Lyd's and not stay for dinner. But then we ended up staying for dinner. Then we ended up staying afterwards and just hanging out and having a good time. Talking about movies and music and dancing and having fun. You were talking about books and stuff and playing video games with the kids.
Yep.
Yeah. Did you have a lot of fun?
I did actually. It was kind of enjoyable.
It was. It was quite a good evening.
Yeah.
Ugh. But now, gotta go to bed. Although, we get an extra hour of sleep tonight. Because of daylight savings time.
It's
but what?
late now.
It's already...
It's 1 in the morning. So.
1:08. Lost reference.
My clock says 109.
Oh, okay. Well, anyways,
So I lied.
it's it's 1, which
In the
means
morning. Midnight.
it will count as midnight, so it's still late. But we get that extra hour, which I just realized yesterday with talking to some of the the recently immigrated, is that the right word? Students that are in our class who they're from India. And they're like, what is up with this daylight savings hour thing? And I was just like, wait, daylight savings time isn't a global thing? I had no idea that it wasn't
And
a global
it's not
thing.
even fully Canadian.
Yeah, it's not even a fully Canadian thing because they don't have it in Saskatchewan.
Yeah.
Yeah, so daylight savings time, if you live somewhere that doesn't do daylight savings time, basically we adjust our clocks twice a year because of our shift with our seasons, because obviously with where we are on the world and due to the tilt of the axes and all that stuff, we have our daylight time shifts a lot throughout the year, so we change our clocks so that our daylight is more normalized. Does that make sense?
Trying to sound so smart.
It kind of makes sense. Wikipedia it for a better definition. All right, time to go to bed. Good night.
Sky! You're not gonna try.
You try.
I can't. Sky! Sky! Okay, that's the tune.